Most scientists agree that the lowest form of life is called a nanobee. Now, just above the nanobee on the lowest form of life scale, most scientists also agree you'd find scammers. A couple days ago, I got this email from YouTube saying that my Alley Pick channel has been terminated. That's right, terminated due to copyright infringement. Now, my first reaction was shock, but then after a few brain cells kicked in, I realized it was just a scam. And I thought this would be a good time to remind my viewers and other YouTube creators out there watching this that you always need to be on the lookout for creative scammers. So, this is the email that I received. Hi, Alley Picked, which, by the way, is not my name. First red flag. We regret to inform you that your channel, Alley Picked, has been terminated. After conducting a thorough review, it has been determined that your channel was linked to another channel that was deactivated due to 3 or more copyright infringements. Another red flag. Alley Picked is not linked to any other channel. This is just language put there to try to confuse you. The decision is a result of a comprehensive evaluation of the content of the actions associated with your channel, which were found to be in violation of our copyright policies. Red flag number 3, vague, not specific. We understand that this may be disappointing, and we encourage you to review our terms of service to ensure compliance with our guidelines in the future. Red flag here. Big red flag. YouTube always communicates to me through my channel and never through email. If you believe this termination was in error, or if you have any additional information to provide, please visit our appeal link below. We will carefully reconsider your case based on the information provided. Then there's a link here. This is the key. They want you to click on this link that they provide to make an appeal. If you click that link, it'll take you to a form that they want you to fill out to provide all kinds of personal information. This link is actually a redirect link, not to YouTube, but to the scammer's website. They're going to use this for their financial gain. They might even trick you into providing your login credentials for your account, thereby locking you out of your own channel. Now, if you ask me, this just might be a lower form of life than the nanobee. No offense to the nanobee. A few days later, I checked on that same email that I got, and this time it was flagged by Google. Here's what it said. Similar messages were used to steal people's personal information. Avoid clicking links, downloading attachments, or replying with personal information. Scammers will try to use similar emails to this one to try to trick you into thinking your Facebook or other social media accounts have also been locked. I don't care how desperate someone is, it's never okay to steal someone else's money. That's the government's job. The first thing I did after reading this email to determine it was a scam was pretty obvious. I logged into my YouTube account, and guess what? It wasn't locked. Here's some advice, whether you get a phone call from a scammer or an email. First of all, never click on a suspicious link. Number 2, Google some of the text in the message with the word scam, and you'll probably learn pretty quickly that it is indeed a scam. Never provide anybody with your login credentials over the phone or via email. Verify any suspicious or questionable email or phone call by logging into your account, calling your bank, or asking someone you trust. Scammers love to play on your emotions. Fear and financial loss are their weapons. And don't ever be afraid to hang up on a suspicious call or to delete a bogus email. I'm Tom, this is Alley Picked, and that's today's Quick Tip.